Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a very important aspect of reproductive health, infertility. Infertility means the inability of a couple to conceive a child despite having unprotected sexual relations for a long time. This is a common problem worldwide, including India. There are many reasons for infertility: physical problems, congenital conditions, disease, medications, side effects, immune system issues और even psychological factors. भारत में अक्सर महिला को ही दोष दिया जाता है जब बच्चा नहीं होता, लेकिन असल में कई बार समस्या पुरुष में होती है, इसलिए दोनों पार्टनर्स की जांच जरूरी है. Specialized clinics called infertility clinics can diagnose and treat many causes of infertility. If natural conception is not possible, modern medicines offer assisted reproductive technologies or ART to help couples have children. Let me explain some common ART methods. As in-vitro fertilization, IVF. Most popular. This is also called as test tube baby technique. Here, eggs are collected from the female partner or a donor and sperm from the male partner or donor. Fertilization happens outside the body in a lab under controlled conditions. The fertilized egg or zygote develops into an early embryo and is then transferred back into the woman's uterus to grow. Sometimes the embryo with fewer cells, up to 8 blastomeres, is transferred directly into the fallopian tube in a method called zygote intrafallopian transfer. If the embryo has more cell, it is transferred into the uterus. This is called intrauterine transfer. Another method is gamete intrafallopian transfer, ZIFT, where an egg from a donor is placed into the fallopian tube of a woman who cannot produce egg but can carry a pregnancy. There is also intracytoplasmic sperm injection, another technique. Here, a precise technique where a single sperm is directly injected into an egg to help fertilization. Some fertility cases happen because of very low sperm count or inability of the male partners to inseminate naturally. In such cases, artificial insemination can help. Here, semen is collected from the husband or a healthy donor and introduced into the female reproductive tract, either into the vagina or directly into the uterus, called intrauterine insemination or IUI. It is important to know that these techniques require high precision, advanced technology, and expert doctors. These services are expensive and available only in select centers in India. इसीलिए हर किसी के लिए ये सुविधाएं उपलब्ध नहीं. Also, emotional, religious, and social factors often make couples hesitate to seek these treatments. Lastly, adoption is another wonderful and legal way couples to become parents. भारत में बहुत सारे अनाथ बच्चे हैं जिन्हें परिवार की जरूरत है। Adoption provides a loving home to these children and helps couple fulfill their dreams of parenthood. So, remember, infertility is not just a woman's problem, it can affect both partners. Modern science offers many solutions, but awareness and acceptance are key. Thank you all.